In this video, you will see how to remove text box border in Word on iPad. As you can see, I have this text box and it doesn't have any border. Let's get started. First, you need to go to the Insert tab and under the Insert tab, tap on text box and you will get this text box. Now this text box has an outer border. If we tap inside the document, as you can see, there is a black outer border. So first we will need to tap on the text box, then go to the edit text and then just type what we want inside the text box. And once done, now to remove this outer border, we need to tap on the text box to select it. And now here you will see additional tab of shape. Just tap on the shapes option. And here you will see this pencil icon. So this option will help us to change the color of the outer border. Just tap on this option and instead of black, just select the option white. So this will make the border invisible and only the text will be left behind. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Word on iPad quickly. See you again in the next one.